Let's get started. So we need to go to App Store. So once we get to the App Store, we need to search for the TCapture app. So go to your search bar, enter the TCapture app. Once you enter the TCapture app, you will see the one with the DAI. Click on it, the TCapture with the DAI logo. So once you click on it, you hit the install button. Note that this may take some seconds depending on your internet connectivity, while some may take a minute or two. So this depends on your internet connectivity. But if you have the TCapture app already on your device, you can just proceed to you can skip this stage and just open it directly. So let's wait while it loads. So can you see install completed? So click on the open button. So once you click on the open button, it loads out the DAI option, asking you for location. Select the precise, then click on allow. So it requests for your login details, which was shared with you earlier, maybe by your feed coordinators. So now once you are here, kindly enter the username and the password. Note the username and the password are case sensitive, just as it's sent to you. So now we need to make sure that the location is on. That's the location icon. Put on the location icon. So once you put on the location icon, then you can go back to enter your username. As I said, it's case sensitive. Now you will detect that there's a space added once you use autocomplete. You need to remove that space, because if you don't remove it, you may not be able to log in. So enter your password. Make sure there is no space beside your username. So put in your password, click on the sign in button. So once you click on the sign in button, you will see some of these things. We have the data capture, data history, help desk, logout. So we are working with the data capture. Select the words. Once you select the words, select the polling units. Now enter the polling unit code just the way it displays. So enter it. If it's wrong, you won't be able to proceed. So press OK. Click on the detect location. So once you click on the detect location, a map would display. Can you see the map displaying? So you can zoom out. Can you see? You can zoom out to be sure that that is the right location. So you can also, can you see? You can zoom out to be sure. You can hit the detect location the second time if you notice that, okay, that location is wrong. So you can hit it and you zoom back. So once you zoom back to check if it's correct or not, if it's not correct, you click on the detect location. So to be sure that the accuracy is perfect. To be sure that the accuracy is perfect. So next, we need to click on the detect location again. You can zoom back. Can you see? You zoom in to be sure. So but note, if you're offline, you may not be able to see this map. So what you just need to do is click on the detect location thrice. So once you click on the detect location thrice, give a space of maybe 10 seconds or 30 seconds in between. So also the advantage of this is you can drag the red icon. Once you notice that, okay, it's not supposed to be on the white, you can hold it down and drag it to where it's supposed to be. Now I've held it down, so I've dragged it to the black spots. So that's how you can also drag it to any other particular location once you're sure that, okay, no, it's supposed to be on this location. So you can click, hold it down and drag. What I ask you to do is click on the red icon, hold it down and drag. So once you hold it down and drag, then you should be able to have you should be able to have something like this, and automatically the latitude and longitude will be generated, so you don't have to bother about that. So you can also, for clarity's sake, you can hit the anytime you hit the detect button, it gets a clearer accuracy of what you're trying to do. Okay, and as I said, if you're offline, try to click like 3 times, so, and leave a space of maybe 30 seconds or 15 seconds before you click. Once you do your first clicking, by clicking on the detect location, you can just wait for like 30 seconds or 15 seconds, then you click again, so that you can have an accurate data that is being captured. So then once you're sure that okay, everything is set, once you're sure everything is set, just zoom. So you can zoom to be very sure. And remember the feature of holding down and dragging it to the right position. Now assume it falls off, maybe with few meters, you can just hold down and drag it to the right location. All right. So I hope you understand clearly on how you can use the map system now. So let's go to the landmark. So let me enter the landmark here. So now put in the description. Use a good description, something that will be easy, something easy. So trying to add the description. So then you have to, the next thing is select your facility type. Is it public building, community building, open space? So you select the right one. So then you add your comment. So select the capture. Click on the capture button to capture the image of the site. So allow. So you can click on the snap button. Once you're sure, then you can click on OK, or you can retry. So here we have the scale button, we have the rotate button. So you can also reposition, you can rotate what you captured. So depending on what you want to do. So this is just like the edit feature for this application, where you can easily edit the picture by rotating or by scaling the picture. So now the scaling, can you see? You can reduce or increase the scaling. Okay, and you can leave it at default. So that's how the scaling works. All right. So once you're done, you're going to see a mark icon, a mark icon by the right top. You click on it. Yours can be done, so click on done. Yours might be a little bit different from this, so just click on the done icon or the good icon. So once you're done, you click on the submit button. Note, if you didn't fill some of this information, you won't be able to submit. All right, so fill all necessary information and hit the submit button. So what you have submitted will be displayed in the data history. So, and we have two now. Let's go to the data history. So that we have two icons here. We have the edit button, which is that pencil, and we have that I button, which is to view. You can view what you have done. You can also edit. So this is how to view. Once you click on that eyes icon, you'll be able to view what you have submitted. So now, how to edit it? To edit it is just by clicking on this pencil. So if you click on the pencil, you'll be able to edit your data that you have submitted. So you make your necessary changes. Once you make your necessary changes to the site, so if you don't make any changes, the submit button will not appear. So make your necessary changes and go and hit on the submit button. All right, so once you hit on the submit buttons, it submits successfully. Okay, good. So we also have some other features here, like the help desk. So this help desk allows you to easily reach out to the support team. So, and also you can add some emergency numbers on the help desk module. So that's what we're going to do now. So click on the help desk. Once you click on the help desk, you see the phone number, you see the email address, you see the live chat, you see the SOS. So once you click on the phone number, it prompts you to open with your phone dialer. So it's going to bring out the number. Can you see the number? So it brings out the number. So you can just put a call through directly. Same thing to the email. Once you click on the email, it shows out your compose email. So you'll be able to send email to that email address. Then we have the SOS. Note, if you have not added any SOS, the SOS here won't show. So if you want to add, you go to the right top, you see add SOS. So you have to hit this click on the add SOS button. So once you click on the add SOS button, until you add a number, that's when you will see those information. So add a number, so add any 3 numbers. So once you add 3 numbers in case of emergency, so you can just add those numbers to your emergency list. So once you do that and click add, then this SOS will appear. So you can click on the SOS. Once you click on the SOS, it echoes out a place where you can send a message to your SOS contact. So basically, that's what we need.